What's up, guys? It's your boy E. Today we have a very special review for you. As you can see, we got Jacoje in the house. So without further ado, Bob, do your thing. Alright guys, so we're back in it, and like I said, we have Jacoje in the house. And I'm super excited for this review because Jacoje is a company that I've been shopping at for a while. Way before I had the channel, way before I was doing reviews. And I always preach on this channel about going to reputable companies to buy your jewelry. And Jacoje in the solid gold space is probably one of the top of my list. They have very, very beautiful pieces, all Italian gold. You're gonna get the highest possible quality when you shop Jacoje. And that's something that's super important. Regardless of what budget you're on, whether you're shopping in a lower space, whether you're buying something that's silver, whether you're buying something that's moissanite, whether you're buying something that's gold, or whether you're buying something that's diamonds, you want to always make sure that you're shopping with a reputable brand. Jacoje was started in 2015. They have been around, they're still going strong, and a lot of people really love their stuff. So today, we're gonna be going into the 4mm heavy cable link by Jacoje. This is kind of a new link, but also a very old link, and I'm gonna get into that as we do the review. So without further ado, guys, let's take a look at this piece. All right, guys, so now let's take a look at what we got in the mail. Let's get out the trusty little katana. Boom, there we go. And let's cut this open. Oh God, be patient. This thing is, come on, bag. All right, the bag's playing games today, guys. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right, guys. Wow. All right, so we have the Jacoje box with the Jacoje logo. Nice white box, pause, with that purple, nice Jacoje logo there. Super nice. Let's slide this open and let's see what we have. Jacoje heavy cable link, 4mm, 30 inches, 48.5 grams. We'll check and make sure that is legit. 14 karat, packed by Logan. Shout out to Logan. Thank you, Logan. They loaded us up with stickers here, guys. Let's take a look at these stickers. This is definitely a Valentine's Day theme. So we have a nice Jacoje logo. We have a, what is this? We have a XOXO. We got a smash, smash, smash. We have a Jacoje gift box with some lips. We got a big Jacoje with some lips. So fellas, they are hooking you up for your girl if you want to get some stuff for your girlfriend or your wife or whoever. And what else do we have in here? We have a nice microfiber polishing cloth to keep that gold shining. We have anything else in here? No, that's it. All right, let me get these stickers out of the way. Let me actually tell you guys a little thing about the heavy cable link. So the heavy cable link, I know you guys want to see the piece and we're gonna get into it in a sec, I swear, but the heavy cable link was the original Jacoje heavy link. And Braden, over time, Braden owns Jacoje, by the way, guys, if you don't already know that. Braden evolved the heavy link into what it is today, and the older heavy link was just not as prevalent. Braden's brought it back recently. Super, super nice chain from what I've seen from all the videos that he's posted online, and I am really looking forward to taking a look at this. So let us now open the bag, because this is what we all want to see. And here we go. 4mm heavy cable link. This definitely has some weight to it. Let's check it out really quick. And here we go, guys. The 4mm heavy cable link. Wow, this is definitely a beautiful, beautiful link. Let me move this back a little bit so you guys can see. We have the nice lobster clasp over here. And yeah, guys, this is just a beautiful, beautiful link. I love how you have this detail here where you have the links and kind of like this, you know, kind of almost loop style over here. You have the bit thicker on the sides over here. You can see this like thicker part right over here, which I absolutely love. And yeah, guys, this is not only a beautiful chain, but it's also an original type of link. You just don't see people walking around every single day with this type of link on. You know, you see your classic Francos, which is something that Jacoje is actually famous for. He's known to have really, really high quality Francos. You see people wearing a lot of rope chains. You see people wearing a lot of figure rope chains, but you do not see people wearing a heavy cable link like this every single day. So the next thing to do is let's try it on. Let's see how it feels. Let's see how it looks. Actually, wait, what am I talking about? I'm getting way ahead of myself here. Now we actually have to weigh this thing. So I believe that it said that it weighed 48.5 grams. Let's get the scales of truth over here. And let's power this on. Oops, there we go. Let's power this on. We're at 0, as you guys can see. Let's get this on the scale. And we are actually a little bit over. We're at 48.65 grams. So a little bit over 48.5, but it's very good to see that we are actually over the weight. Let's actually measure it as well. I actually have never measured a link like this, so let's see how easy it is to measure. And we're actually at a 4.5, it looks like, which is pretty cool. Let's measure it again. And 4.18 over here, and let's get it one more time. And we are at a 4.22. So guys, that's really good. We're actually over a 4 millimeter. We're between a 4.2 and a 4.5, which is really cool. So now, because before I was getting ahead of myself, now let's get this on neck so I can show you guys what it looks like. Let's rate it and let me see if I can recommend this beautiful heavy cable link chain spoiler. I definitely recommend it. It's definitely amazing, but yeah, let's take a look at it on neck, guys. So we have it on neck. This is the 4 millimeter heavy cable link. Let me kind of try to give you guys the best neck profile that I can. Again, this is a long chain, guys. It's a 30-inch chain. So it is long. It has a beautiful presence on the neck. Let's see if I can back up a little more here for you guys. It's a beautiful presence on neck. I'm probably about 4 feet back right now. You can definitely see the presence. I am a bigger guy, so I could probably go bigger than this. I could probably go up to a 5 millimeter or a 6 millimeter, but I feel like the 4 millimeter is the perfect size link for an everyday wear. It's not too huge, but at the same time, you have that presence on your neck. It feels good. The weight feels good. It definitely has a beautiful shine to it. That's one thing that I really noticed, is that this chain has a beautiful, beautiful shine, and you can definitely see the quality in it, which is something that I love, because when you buy gold, guys, you want to buy something that, number one, is quality, and number two, has that look that makes you feel good about yourself. I feel like that's the whole reason to buy gold. And also, you want to have quality stuff because maybe eventually you want to resell some of that stuff, and you want to make sure that that gold has a high quality gold content. It's coming from a good place. Jacoje actually started a new company called Links Resale, where he's actually buying back in a lot of gold. It doesn't have to be from Jacoje. It can be from anywhere. He makes the process super seamless. And that is actually something I'm going to discuss in some upcoming videos, because I also have some pieces coming in from Links. So I'm super excited about that. He has both pieces that are used that he sells, because beyond only buying back in gold, he's also selling the gold that he buys back in. A lot of dope pieces up there. And at the same time, he also has never been worn pieces. And I wanted to see what it was like to get a never worn piece from Links, because that way I can show you guys, if you don't have the budget for maybe a Jacoje and to get something like this, you're gonna be able to still get a quality piece while you get a really good deal. And on a scale of nope to dope, I have to give the Jacoje 4mm heavy cable link an 8.7. So far, that's the highest score that I've given out on my channel, guys. This really is a beautiful chain. I really do love it. I think it's something that I'm gonna be wearing on an everyday basis. And if you wanna go, if you haven't heard of Jacoje, you can head over to jacoje.com, see all the beautiful pieces he has up there. And if you have heard of Jacoje and you've been shopping there, I definitely would recommend this heavy cable link. So with that being said, guys, please make sure that you continue to like the videos. Please subscribe. I look at all of your comments. I respond to all of your comments. A lot of the pieces that I've gotten in, just so far, I've gotten in about 18 to 20 pieces. I have 10 more on the way. And a lot of those pieces are your guys' recommendations. So please feel free down in the comments below. Give me your recommendations. If you guys want to see a piece from a particular company, if you want to see a new company, if there's a company that I've already reviewed, but you like a certain piece from there, make sure that you drop it in the comments for me. And with that, guys, this has been the Jacoje 4mm heavy cable link review. And this is your boy E, and I am out. Peace.